Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make drinks out of paper. Start by choosing food-safe paper, a clean blender, and potable water. Tear paper into small pieces, soak until soft, then blend with water to create a smooth pulp. Strain the pulp through cloth to remove fibers, then sweeten and flavor to taste. Chill briefly and serve in a clean glass with ice for a pleasant texture and aroma. Begin with clean, food-grade paper, avoiding inks, glossy finishes, and adhesives that can contaminate drinks. Tear the paper into 1-inch pieces to speed soaking and blending. Submerge the pieces in filtered water and allow them to soften for at least 30 minutes. Transfer softened paper and soaking water to a clean blender and pulse until the mixture becomes a smooth, even pulp without large fibers remaining. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more creative tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers into your kitchen, making mixing drinks more fun and hands-free with voice controls. It fits on a counter without taking up space and sounds surprisingly big for its size. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After blending, strain the paper pulp through a fine cheesecloth into a bowl to separate fibers from liquid. Press the cloth to extract as much liquid as possible for a smoother drink. Mix the strained liquid with juices, brewed tea, or simple syrup to enhance flavor and balance texture. Refrigerate and taste a small sample for safety and flavor before serving to others, and discard if any off smells or textures remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.